What's good, y'all? Today we're making a pizza, but it's not just a normal pizza. We got mango, some cheese, just sort of emptying out the fridge a little bit, to be honest, as you do. Some onion, semi-burnt, love it. Some corn, cheap pizza base we got from Coles or whatever. So we got 3 of them, so we're gonna have some experimenting to do, that's for sure. Yeah, see how it goes, eh? Alright, that's it up. We will not use this chicken because I think it's been in the fridge for about a week. Fresh dressed. Bit of a waste, let's see. That's beautiful. Just a little bowl. More than enough. Hi, John. Gonna help me make. How big chicken you think? Strips or diced? Let's put the rest in a bowl in the fridge. Yeah. Rain? It's raining, right? No. Oh. You sure? Let's go even higher.
What?
I don't want to go too high in case the phone falls in boiling water or something. It's a cooked chicken. Won't heat up. For a little while. You love corn, babe? You love corn? So sweet. Oh, that's right. There it goes. Holy. Oh, yeah. Garlic. I've never seen the squeezy garlic before. It's funny. I like this salt. That's well. Is that just straight garlic, or is it like a... Clean it stuff. What did you get?
What?
A little bit of sweet chilli now. Probably doesn't need it, but it might help with the pizza sauce a little bit. I think the sweet chilli would be nice with the mango.
Yeah.
We'll set up. Alright, I think it's pizza time now. And help? This is the fun part, babe. Where's spinach? Spinach! Can I just put it on it, or do I have to cook it? I have to cook it, right?
Yeah.
I'll just put it in the water.
Oh.
Spinach doesn't need much. Oh, oh, that was close. It's still going. Yeah. You scared? Now it's gonna land with things. No, it should be fine. It was just unbalanced and I honestly kind of forgot it was there even. I checked out these a while ago. They're super helpful. Clip on your things, keep them fresh. Thanks, babe. Nice. Cheese first, a little bit. I wonder if I should put more sauce in the base, but we don't really have anything, do we?
We have.
We have what? Oh, that. Is that ours? Really?
I put it in ours. Lavish and stuff.
Nice. Oh shit, that's awesome. Wow, huh? Looks like a real pizza now. Try again. Which order do you think we should put, man?
Spinach.
Spinach now? Okay. Well, that's fucking hot, isn't it? Some of the moisture out. Yeah. Some onion.
This is good.
Colorful, huh? Corn? Or mango? Maybe some.
Ooh, yeah.
That little pizza, isn't it? Maybe we don't need all the corn.
Yeah.
Chicken, I guess. Oops. Minus one.
Every good time.
Yeah, should be good though. And then mango.
Oh, there's a lot.
A bit closer. That's a bit better. You can actually see the pizza now.
There.
Colourful. It's like a Christmas pizza. Mango's so strong. Now for the coffee beans.
Beautiful.
So they're gonna be really good or really funky.
12.
12 minutes. Great. Go. See how it looks in about 10 minutes. Have a quick look at it. In a couple more minutes and it'll be good. It's looking pretty nice. Looks like prawns. Kinda need to clean the oven too. It's a bit dirty, but you know. Ready to go. Quiet. Oh. Maybe a bit more cheese would be good, but it looks pretty nice. So right there. Cut it up and see how it looks. Alright, so now's the easy part, kind of. I do a big board, love having a big board. Ooh. Lucky enough to have a pizza cutter, use that, but shouldn't go anything. It's thick. So thick. I think a bit more cheese would be good, but it's alright. Push it on a plate. I'll put it back on that for now. Let's wipe this. Ready? Well.
Pizza.
I'll try. It's a bit salty. Actually good.
So.
Yeah. I'll do you now.
No. Yeah.
It's alright.
Yeah.
Shelly.
菜打开了，
It's okay.
这样子该死的死啊！
Glasses are cute, babe. I do black screen. What do you think, babe?
我去找。
You didn't eat yet. They're good?
Good.
Alright, well, it's good for both of us, so hope you guys enjoyed that. Peace.